If you thought the Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE performance was already pushing the limits of what a luxury super sedan could be, Brabus is here to prove you wrong. The German tuning powerhouse has unleashed their latest monster, the Brabus 1000, a car so powerful its torque had to be electronically reduced just to keep it from self-destructing. Yes, it's that serious. Let's start with the name. As always with Brabus, the number gives it away. The Brabus 1000 boasts 1000 PS, which translates to 986 horsepower. But it's not just the horsepower figure that grabs your attention. It's the jaw-dropping torque figure, 1,342 pound-feet. That much torque would likely twist lesser drivetrains into oblivion. So Brabus had to cap it at a still insane 1,195 pound-feet just to ensure the transmission could survive. To get there, Brabus didn't just add bigger turbos to the AMG's 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. They took it several steps further. The displacement was increased to 4.5 liters, and the internals were heavily reworked, including a billet aluminum crankshaft, forged high-performance connecting rods, and a custom stainless steel exhaust system. The result? The combustion engine alone produces 785 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. Pair that with the AMG's factory 201 horsepower electric motor, and you get one of the most absurd hybrids ever built. Performance? As you'd expect, it's mind-blowing. Brabus claims the 1000 can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. It hits 124 miles per hour in 9.5 seconds and rockets to 186 miles per hour in 23.6 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 200 miles per hour, not because the car can't go faster, but to preserve mechanical integrity. But Brabus didn't stop at raw speed. The 1000 also receives a full aerodynamic overhaul. The front fascia gets new canards, grille inserts, and carbon fiber splitter, enhancing both looks and high-speed stability. At the rear, there's a fixed wing and carbon diffuser that help plant the car during full-throttle assaults. The car rides on bespoke 21-inch front and 22-inch rear monoblock 10-spoke wheels, wrapped in performance tires and suspended by KW springs that lower the ride height by 20 millimeters. Inside, the Brabus 1000 looks as extreme as it performs. The cabin is wrapped in custom black leather, highlighted by carbon fiber accents and striking red trim pieces, from air vents to speaker grills and door switches. The attention to detail is obsessive, and it feels more like a cockpit than a luxury interior. Of course, this level of engineering, performance, and exclusivity comes at a steep price. The Brabus 1000 is priced at €445,900, or around $515,000. That's more than double the base price of the AMG GT 63 SE Performance. But for the buyer who thinks the original isn't outrageous enough, the Brabus 1000 is in a class of its own. In a world where performance cars keep pushing boundaries, Brabus has taken a hybrid luxury sedan and turned it into a hyper sedan, one that doesn't just compete with supercars, but flat out embarrasses many of them. With the Brabus 1000, we're witnessing what happens when engineers throw out the rulebook and aim for pure, unfiltered automotive excess.